So let me cancel here and paste it. So this is the Nmap again. So and then we are calling the script smb2 dash security model, and then this is the script we are calling by default from the Nmap. And then you remember this is the port that we have here in our network, which is open. We can target it here. If you want to say, for example, if you want to use 99, you can use that as well. So, and then export to the DC02 Nmap and text. So you can export that as well. So if you see right here, it is exported already. If we do the cat and DC202 and text. So if you see, all this information are here. And if you see, this is the sign in requirement enable, and the 445 is enable. That's what we only include this. If you want to include more, you can always put more, like let's say if you want to do port 139, you can do as well. You can do this and it will create this overlap, right? So you can use the new file, or it's up to you. So the other one I want to show you is clear. So let's scan the server with the vulnerability MS17-010, and we are calling the script to scan the vulnerability. So you can use 445 as a port, and 192.168.35.104 is our target. And once you hit enter, that will give you either that machine is vulnerable or not. So, and then if you come back here, you'll see SMB vulnerable is vulnerable, and this is the remote code execution. If we go a little further down, it says the critical remote execution vulnerabilities exist, and it is enabled SMB version 1. And then if you see, the vulnerable ID is also here. You can also copy this and put in our notes section. Always remember that you have to save file, right? Or you can do Control S while you run that. So the other one I want to show you is, so let's go a little bit aggressively. So DAS-A uses several features, like including operating system detection, version detection, script scanning, and then trace route, all those fun stuff. So that's why I include DAS-A. And then if you see T4 is like, this is super aggressive. I don't recommend to use this in the real oral environment. So because this is super aggressive, they're like a level of this is also timing. So you can go 5, if you want to go higher 5, or if you want to go lower 3, or 2, 1, 0. So they're like a 0 to 5. So this is T is time, okay? So and that's why I'm using 4 as a aggressive, and then this is the DAS-P. It will scan every port that exists, and then the IP will be 192.104, and we can also do 99. Let's do 99 as well. So 99. And we can do 192.168.35.104. And we are not gonna scan any other thing. We're just using 2 IP address to scan it, okay? So if it doesn't like it, so what we can try is you can do dash here. Interesting. Some reason it doesn't like it, so that's okay. Let's not use anything here. Let's do that. Yeah. this will scan 99 and then this will scan the 104. So let's wait for that. And then also while this is scanning, I want to show you is the nmap.org. So this is the official site of nmap.org. You can come here and then you can come to documentation, anything you want to go with English, and you can come here, find that information if you see right here. So this is the one example, and then this will also help you support scanning basic. That will help. If you want to use that book, you can come here and then use the book as well. And so right here, click on this one, and if you come here, you'll see a lot of information. I'll also put this link in the resource section. And then one more thing I just mentioned to forgot. So this is the note taking for the repository in the GitHub. So I put different types of repository here. If you want to check the notes, or if some reason it doesn't like in the resource section, I will put in this right here, and then you can click here so you can find that lot of information. So this is the one of the example I put it here. I'll add more for you guys. Okay. All right. Okay, so now it is done. So if you see right here, there's a lot. So that's why it's super aggressive. So copy here, and let's go further down and copy this. So we are using this as a reference. Paste here. So the interesting part I want to show you is 102. Let's see what here. This one, and then if you see right here, there is a multiple port. We see the RPC and the so at least we know the lab.local. We have that document, so we can do a lot of things from there. Yeah, so 53 simple DNS plus, and if you come back here, it's 445 and so on. So let's wait. So once we minimize here, you will find here. Okay, so you can come back and click here and it will show you. So, and then the terminal, if you want to use the multiple terminal, you can click here, or you can come here and then type terminal. Okay, and then you can open this one as well. So either way. So it looks like it's taking a little bit of time, so we'll revisit that. Okay, so let me minimize this.